what I will miss about her is being with the fans, with the Pianatics. She's very supportive to us. Lahat ng mga efforts ng Pianatics sinusuportahan niya. So yun ang mamimiss namin.
Daryl, I want to know, as one of the admins and as one of the supporters, you've been with Pia through thick and thin. Now that she's about to crown her successor, what are your thoughts?
Um, Still, I'm looking forward for her other achievements in the future, and I will support her no matter what, even though she's not Miss Universe anymore.
What about you, MC?
Will be there on her next journey. If she wants to continue showbiz, we'll be here once more. We will be forever her fans.
Na, overall this journey, anong masasabi ninyong tatlo about, you've seen her struggles, you've seen her achievements, and now, eto na nga, this is it. Sa inyo, what is in store for you guys now that she is actually going to be say goodbye?
I'm very much happy. I'm satisfied. It's a success. It's definitely a success for her.
Even though it's very tiring, but it's worth it. Supporting her, it's worth it for me. And our love and support for her will always be there.
Well, I would say she did a great job as Miss Universe. I would give her a pat on the back, giving her rate 1 to 10. I'm gonna give her 11. She was able to communicate to the people, able to really touch the lives not only the Filipino people but also the entire world. So, ang galing, sobrang galing lang. And we Pianatics, we're gonna be still here. Sabi nga ni Ate Criselda, mag-showbiz man siya, we're still gonna be support her. We're still gonna be at her back. Still solid as Pianatics through thick and thin.
Together now, what's your message for Pia?
Pia, always remember that andito lang kami para sa'yo. Whatever journey you may enter in the future, always remember that Pianatics will always be there for you.
Pia continue to be an inspiration to us and to everyone.
Pia, solid pa rin kami. Hanggang matapos ang Miss Universe, hanggang mag-asawa ka, magkaanak ka, we're still gonna be here for you. Solid!